So I just went for a little walk in my backyard and I found some natural materials. I found sticks and I found moss, dirt, rocks, little twigs. I found a whole lot of dirt and water to make this mud for my hippo friend. So it's really fun to get to walk around. I'll show you guys some footage as I talk right now. I went around and I found dirt, I found lots of sticks, I found lots of mud, and different earth materials like moss, like rolled up leaves and bark, and then I mixed them all together and I added my little animal friends to make an environment that they would usually live in. So we have our giraffe, we have a monkey, a little bird, a parrot or a parakeet, I'm not sure which, and we have a elephant. Then I decided to make some mud for my hippo friend, so I got a little container and I put a bunch of dirt in there and added some water and mixed it up. Also get a lot of leaves and a lot of sticks and make a tree and put birds up there. You could put monkeys up there and other creatures who usually live in trees, like a little squirrel. But it really is, the only limits are your own imagination, so make whatever you want to make. You can make your own animal environment that you just invented. And you could, even if you've never seen the animals in the wild, like a lot of people haven't seen elephants before, you can make whatever you think an elephant would need to live. So you could find water for it to drink, you can find mud for it to play in, or trees for it to rub its back on, and little food supplies. So maybe they eat leaves or they eat small animals, you never know. So think about what the animals you like need to survive and make a cool environment that incorporates all of that. But if you guys want to show us what you made, please feel free to send an email to Heath and we would love to check them out. Walking around, I actually found some plastic pieces that don't belong in my backyard, so I decided to pick them up safely. So if you guys ever find anything in your yard, make sure your adult helps you out so you don't hurt yourself. And I'm going to take them and dispose of them properly inside my house. So when you're looking around for things to put in your bins, look for things that are starting to grow. These crocuses are starting to bloom because it's getting to be warm springtime weather. There are some flowers in my backyard that are also blooming. It's a really, really nice time of year, and luckily we won't have too many more cold days left, so you'll start to see lots of new plants growing.